And I've been using them for as long as I can remember, and I've even owned some cheaper, smaller models in the past, but they've never quite struck the mark with me. However, with this from Hyundai, this particular model looks like a different animal. This Hyundai 50-litre air compressor delivers a maximum pressure of 116 psi, with a flow rate of 14 cubic feet per minute. It's powered by a 3 horsepower motor, making it easily capable enough to handle those tough jobs. You also have enough air supply to run multiple tools or maintain consistent air pressure, making it an excellent tool for detailing. So let's begin with the build quality, and as you could probably see with your own eyes, this Hyundai air compressor looks like a solid piece of kit. I mean, at 45 kilograms, it's not going to be the lightest thing. The whole compressor feels sturdy, and moving it around on the wheels is no problem. Also, when you switch it on, it's going to take you about 1.5 minutes to fill it up completely with air. I've had a good idea actually. Just while I'm having a little play here, I've noticed I've got my vented tiles down here on the floor. And so I've just started blowing it under here. And it's just blasting it all out. This might be a good alternative for cleaning underneath these tiles, you know. Whoa. Oh. It gets me every time. So what we have here is one dirty door card. It's got the usual bits of crumbs and filth in the pockets. So we're first of all going to blast it out with this tool. After that, we're going to resort to using one of these, which is just a degreaser cannon. Now, all we're going to use for this is a tiny amount of APC. The rest of it is going to be water. We're then going to spray the entire door card, including the fabric. We're going to leave out the speaker, obviously, because we don't want to damage it. And then we're going to wipe it up with a microfiber cloth. That's all we're going to do. So this does look quite excessive, but honestly, this chemical gun may have its place as an interior detailing tool. Look at it! It actually looks pretty good, to be fair. Now this is quite a good alternative for those of you who don't have scrub pads or you don't have any drill brushes. Of course, it's not going to be as cost effective as getting them because they cost merely a couple of quid. However, I have to say, just looking at the door now, it looks pretty damn good. This was a great test for me because the compressor certainly lived up to my expectations. But I'll definitely be interested to see how good their super silent compressors are in the near future.